Most people ignore the opportunity value field. Today I'm going to show you how filling in this opportunity value field updates your dashboard and also updates your pipeline over here. So for example, we can see that this stage over here, we can see the value of the opportunities in here, but here it's not been filled in. So I will show you how to do that in today's video. Doing this will update your dashboard and it will update your opportunities. So what is the value field actually? Well, the value field is a realistic amount of revenue that your business expects to receive if this opportunity is won. If your business knows the actual value, then set the actual value in this field. If it is a variable, then give a close enough estimate. As an example, this card over here, we can see the opportunity value, and the opportunity value for this particular stage is calculated at the top over here. When I open up the card, we can see where we can set the value for this particular service or a product. And in the notes, we can see I've indicated what this is for. When I hover over the notes over here, you can see that I've indicated this particular card or this particular lead is also for a mini truck, and we can see that the value here is different to the panel van over here. So when we open up this particular card here, we can see that there is no value. When some opportunities have value and others don't, the totals are not correct. It looks like you have less in the pipeline than you actually do, and it becomes much harder to decide which conversations deserve your time. These totals at the top of the stages here only calculate cards or opportunities that have a value indicated in them. These cards in the in discussion stage have got no value, so we don't understand what is fully happening with the business here. My recommendation is that in this contacted in discussion stages, that every card needs a value. When you create or update an opportunity, always set three things. We want to set the stage, we want to set the status, and we want to set the value. Okay, next, let's see why it's worth the effort of updating the value. If we go and have a look at this dashboard over here, we can see that we've got an opportunity status with 6 leads in our pipeline. We've got an opportunity value of 750,000 and we've got a conversion rate over here. So let's go and update these. We have updated these two opportunities here. We can see that the pipeline value has increased to 346,000 in the in discussion stage. Now we can see in our dashboard that we still have 6 opportunities here, but our total revenue estimate has gone up to 1.1 million. The other reason why this is important, if we have a look at our one stage over here, we can see that there is an opportunity value in here, and this is confirmed by a sale. When we look at our dashboard, we can see how much value has been. We can see that the value as indicated here in the one column. And we can also set this for the last 30 days, and we also have the option to do a calendar option there as well. But importantly, we can now have a look at the business and we can see how much actually was not confirmed and how much is in the open option here as well. This is vital information to business owners. Great. So what can you do today? Go and have a look at your different stages and make sure that all of the opportunities have the opportunity value filled in. If you are an auto dealer, as an example, and you're selling second-hand vehicles, add in the second-hand vehicle value here as well. Make sure that all of your opportunities have the opportunity value filled in. Value is what turns your pipeline from a to-do list into a forecasting tool. Combined with the daily routine from previous videos, you now have a living pipeline that tells the truth about people and about money in your business.